Want to know how to reset your password in AngelList or Wellfound? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So it should look something like this, and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So now once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing this profile right here with your avatar. Just simply select that and then select edit profile or settings. So once you're under settings, here you should be seeing this interface, and by default you should be under general. Make sure you're under password. So once you select that password, in order to reset your password, you can just simply select forgot password right here, and now you can just simply send a password reset code or a link to your Gmail. So you can just simply open up the Gmail after that and click the link and reset the password easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.